How to pay for Spotify Premium on your phone. Paying for Spotify Premium on your phone is a fairly simple task. All we have to do is make sure to launch the Spotify application. Now on Android, we can definitely pay from the phone itself. So if I just log into my Spotify app on my Android, what I can do is I can come to this Premium tab where I can tap on Get Premium Plan option and I can pay using my Spotify using a different debit or credit card, or I can continue with my Google Play. But however, on iPhone, this step is not possible. On iPhones, what we have to do is we have to actually open up our browser if we want to pay for Spotify. So open your browser and go to spotify.com over here, but you can also do the same process on Android as well. Then once done, you can tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, and assuming that you are logged in, of course, you can go to this premium option or you can go to view account section, choose a specific type of plan that you want, then you can tap on get premium plan option. And when you've done that, here you can simply manage your payment method like your PayPal. You can connect with your PayPal or credit or debit card. And if you select credit or debit card, enter your card number, the expiration date, as well as the security code, which is also the CVV code. And once done, you can tap the complete purchase option and you'll find the total cost. This way you can pay for Spotify Premium on your phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.